in a world where one sound could end your life. They've survived for years without speaking a word, because out there, in the dark, something is listening. It can hear the smallest breath, the faintest step, the quietest whisper, and when it hears you, it hunts you. Tonight, they must face their worst fear in silence or die screaming. Your life depends on it.